Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 173, no graphics hardware detected on AMD Radeon, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the device manager. And how would you do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now you can expand the list for display adapters. I have the AMD Radeon adapter here, but if you don't have it, then click on view and select show hidden devices. Check once again. Is it present there? If not, then here's what you have to do. Perform a clean boot just to isolate the case where a third-party software product is causing this issue. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Now, once we have done this, the next thing that we can try is an SFC scan. This is the last thing that we can do at the software level. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Lastly, you can call a hardware technician to check it for you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.